Wait, before you spend another dollar on expensive face creams, face serums, or face toner, let me tell you a secret hiding right in your kitchen. This golden ingredient can smooth your skin, calm redness, heal sunburn, heal acne, lighten dark spots, heal scars, inhibit acne, lessen the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and even give you that plump, youthful, even glow skin naturally for free. And the best part is you just need one ingredient. You don't need to mix it with anything. You don't need to change your routine. You don't need to buy any other thing. Just one thing in your kitchen. I'll tell you how to use it and your skin is going to pop. I am going to be showing you from my own experience of using this particular ingredient in your kitchen religiously, and you're going to see the results with me.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow.
So this is what my face used to look like. This was not 5 years ago. This was this year. I had serious breakout hormonal acne. I think a little bit of cystic acne. It was very, very serious. Like it got more serious than this, but I could not take pictures of it. But this is the only video I had of my face earlier this year. And this is what my face looked like 1 month into the treatment. At this point, I wasn't consistent because I didn't actually know what was working because I was using a lot of things. Not until I doubled down to the exact way I'm going to be showing you in this video.
So now, if you're my old subscriber, you know I say it as it is. Anything that works for me, I say it. And if it doesn't work for me, instead of me to come out here and lie to you, I rather not make that video. But if you're seeing me for the first time, I want you to know that this thing actually works for me, and that's why I'm making this video. So watch every part of this video. Take it very seriously. If you want to try it out, I'm telling you that it is going to work for you. So you can see my face now. This is what my face looks like after what it used to be, after being religious with my honey. Now, this is not the first time I started using honey. I've been using honey since like years back, but this is the first time I became consistent with using honey on my face. I'm going to show you how I use it and the routine I am currently using as we go on. But let me tell you the things I noticed while using honey this period. Number one, I usually have sebaceous filaments. So if you usually get sebaceous filaments on your face, on your nose, on your T-zones here, I think I've mentioned it. If you have watched some of my face routines, I always say I get it here, but since I started using honey on my face, I no longer get sebaceous filaments on my face. Before now, I used to use my salicylic acid facial cleanser. I use it about 3 times in a week, and even at that, I still get sebaceous filaments on my face. Okay, I have to use this, try to scrub my face, exfoliate my face to actually get them out, like get them dried out and out of my face. But since I started being consistent with my honey for like 1 month now, one whole month, I have not used my salicylic acid cleanser, and my face is as smooth, as clear as ever. So this is my own personal experience from using honey. Secondly, my acne. I'm someone that usually get pimples here and there, but since I became consistent with using honey, I no longer get pimples, and even if it comes out, it just dries up out. It dries out without leaving serious pigmentation on my face. As you saw my face, what my face was looking like before, once I just get pimples, once it just dries, no matter how careful I am, it just leaves dark spots on my face. But right now, it has seriously reduced, and I'm not using any active. I'm not using tretinoin. I'm not using azelaic acid. I'm not using a serious alpha arbutin. I'm not using retinol. I'm not using any hard thing that is really working on my hyperpigmentation. All I am using right now is honey and the routine that I'm going to show you. Now, honey is a humectant, and as a humectant, honey draws moisture into your skin and locks it in, thereby making your face feel softer, look plump, and give you that glowing feel on your face. It is also going to help with facial dryness, and that is why it is also good for wrinkles and fine lines. If you use honey consistently, as someone having signs of aging, you are going to notice that the appearance of the fine lines on your forehead, on your neck, if you use it on your neck, you are going to notice that they are going to lessen. Okay, now secondly, honey has antibacterial and antiseptic properties in it. That is why it can help to calm breakout. It can also help to inhibit acne, just like as I already said, based on my own personal experience. I no longer get pimples as I used to. Even if they come out, they just go. It also helps to speed up the healing of your pimples, of your acne, of your blemishes. This I have noticed firsthand. Now, honey is also rich in antioxidants, it has nutrients, and it has enzymes, which also makes it beneficial for aging skin. These nutrients, antioxidants, and enzymes on your skin as you use honey is going to help to delay the signs of aging that you are experiencing. Also, honey has lightening agents, natural lightening agents in them. That is why as you are using honey, your dark spots are going to be clearing. Any blemishes on your face, on your skin, they are going to clear because honey has natural lightening agents in them. And just like you saw, and just like I've already said, I did not use any strong um products for my dark spots. All I used was honey, and my dark spots started fading faster than it was. Honey is just very good. If you have sensitive skin, if you have normal skin, no matter your age, you can use honey. Honey helps to soothe irritation, honey helps to heal wounds, it helps to heal scars, and that is why it is very, very, very good when it comes to acne, when it comes to anything wound healing. Pimple, it leaves injury on your face. When it pops, that thing there is an injury that needs healing. So when you use honey, it helps to speed up the healing process, and it also helps to clear the dark spots, and overall it is going to give you a very, very beautiful skin. Okay, now for this to really work for you, I want to say, if you want to get honey, get an original honey. Okay, look for an organic honey. Even if you buy your honey from a supermarket, go to look for the one that is organic. There are a lot of most of the honey that you buy in your stores, in the supermarket, they are not organic honey. Okay, and they might not give you this exact result I am talking to you about. So instead of buying your honey from the supermarket, you can check the local market. You can check anywhere they sell natural organic things and ask them where you can get original honey. If you get original honey, you are going to get absolute results from using honey on your face. As you can see, this one that I have, you see how it looks, but there's some honey you are going to see, it is going to be watery, it's going to be light brown. Honey is not light brown. Okay, it has this very dark brown golden color. So make sure you get original honey. If you really want it to work for you, look for organic original honey and get it. Use it the way I'm going to be showing you and telling you that I used it and I actually saw results on my face, and it is going to work for you for anything, for sunburn, for face redness, for acne, for pimples, for or just smoothing your face. You want to smoothen out your face. I mean, just like I said, I no longer exfoliate my face as often as I do. I just use my salicylic cleanser like once a week. Some week I even skip. Okay, I skip because my face does not need it. I just use it sometimes just to still keep up with my routine, not because my face needs it. Do you understand? So this really, really works from my own experience. That is what I'm telling you.
So now
in
over
this
to the
video.
application. So here my face is washed. Make sure you apply it on washed face. So what I'm spraying here is just water because yeah, I have had my bath and my face dried up due to setting up the camera and all of those things. So I'm just dabbing water on my face. So use it on a damp face, not a wet face, not a dripping wet face, and not a dry face, on a damp face. Okay, then take your honey and just apply. This thing is as simple as ABC. There is no mathematics to it. Just apply honey every day. For me personally, I like to use my honey in the morning, but if it is in the night that you have the time, it is okay. If it's in the afternoon, it's okay, but I just use it in the morning after having my bath, and I make sure to use it every single day. I apply it on my face generally and generously, then I massage it into my skin. I also use it on my lips. If you are someone that you have dark lips, okay, and you usually don't have time to be buying scrubs for your lips, use it on your lips and you're going to see a great difference.
So if you're going to do this before having your bath, let's say you washed your face before going to have your bath because you wanted to apply this, so you rinse it out in the shower. If you want to use it for anti-aging purposes, you can go ahead and use it on your neck, on your shoulders, just basically anywhere you want to use it. You can use it all over your body, honestly, if you can, but I'm just using on my face and this place because I've had my bath. This is where I can easily rinse off in the sink without any hassle. Okay, so I'm going to be leaving it on my face for like 15 to 20 minutes. If you have the time, you can do 30 minutes. Sometimes I do 10 minutes when I'm in a hurry. But the secret to using honey on your face is to use it every single day, just like I've already said. Use it every day, even if it is 5 minutes, you can afford to leave it. Don't just skip it. Don't just skip it. Like as I told you, I have never skipped this for over 1 month now. I have never skipped it. When I started initially with using honey, I was not consistent, and it took time. It took a lot of months before I saw results. But immediately I doubled down and used it every single day, every freaking morning. I make sure even if it's 3 minutes, you're rushing to work, you don't have time. Even if it's 1 minute, just apply it. Do something, rinse it out, and follow up with your morning routine. Don't just skip it. Even if it's in the night, you have the time. Anytime you have the time, just make sure you use it every freaking day. And this is absolutely going to transform your face in no time. So I'm going to give it time, and then I'm going to come back and show you my minimalist face routine. Yeah. So I'm done washing my face, and I'm going to follow up with my serum. This is Excelling Turmeric and Vitamin C Brightening Face Serum. So this is what I'm using now. During this routine, I have used a niacinamide serum, niacinamide and abutine serum, and it worked. So the serum you use afterwards does not really matter. Okay, just use your normal facial serum, whether it's vitamin C, whether it's niacinamide, tranexamic acid, alpha butane, whatever it is you are using as your daily facial serum. Just follow up with it, and it works. Okay, so after this, I'm just going to follow up with my face cream. So next is my face cream. This is the Snail Whitening Face Cream Collagen Deep Cleansing. I have been using this face cream since last year. If you know, you know, and it is very, very good. Okay, so I'm just going to follow up with my face cream. For my face cream, I use very little quantity on my face, and this is okay. Okay, if you have oily skin, it doesn't mean you should not use a face cream. Use a face cream, but use it very little to seal in all the hydration, to seal in all the moisture you get. So it is important that you use a face cream. Get a face cream that your face likes and stick to it. So this is what I've been using, and honestly, it is nice. So that is everything for this particular routine. You don't need to change your skincare routine. You don't need to change any product. The honey honestly is the main thing. It is what has really healed my face and brightened my face to the extent you are seeing it right now. So it's not really these products, because this is what I've been using ever since before I started using the honey consistently, that actually made the whole change in my skin.